Top 5 passive income. 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Invest in companies that regularly pay dividends. You'll earn a portion of the company's profits without selling your shares. Great for long-term wealth building. 2. Rental properties. Buy real estate and rent it out. Provides monthly cash flow and potential property appreciation. Can be managed by property managers if you wanted to be more hands-off. 3. Digital products, ebooks, courses, printables. Create once, sell forever. Examples: online courses, ebooks, Canva templates, or digital planners. Platforms like Canva can help you design and package these products beautifully. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services online and earn a commission for each sale. Works well with blogs, YouTube,